Okay, hello. We are Ryan Tay and Mandy Tran, and this is our IME 450 fixture design project. Okay. Have you recently been hired to create a cow poly themed bottle opener? Well, if you have, you know that this is going to involve designing and fabricating your own custom fixture that not only secures the part in the CNC, but also ensures repeatable machining. So moving on to some design constraints that your customer requested, your fixture should have a max volume of 7.5 by 5.85 by zero point 0.7 inches. You should be using 6061T6 aluminum material for your fixture with a minimum safety factor of 3. And some components that you have available in your shop are Haas EC 400 horizontal tombstone that your fixture will be fixed to for mass manufacturing. And you have Mighty Bite fixture clamps and locating rails to use for your part, as well as 0.25 diameter dowel pins for locating. Additional machining requirements are that you should be able to indicate your fixture to the CNC machine's axes, produce one finished part per loading cycle, locate the part off of qualified datums, and be able to load and unload your fixture in under 1 minute. So now that you know all of your constraints, we have our solution that will work for you. So our key features include one Mighty Bite clamp that is torqued to 8.3 foot-pounds, two Mighty Bite locating rails, two dowel pins, a locating bore, and band. And then you can see from this very comprehensive stress analysis that the part itself will only displace by about 2 thou, meaning you will end up with a very high quality bottle opener. This is our preliminary fixture design. You can see that we use the clamp, the locating rails, and dowel pins. But as I said, this is the initial design, and there was much to improve after the first iteration. For the documentation, we utilize SolidWorks to create the part models, assemblies, and technical drawings, and we use HSM Works to do the CAM programming before physically machining the fixture.
So with all that background work, we move on to the fixture. Our fixture here, you can see, has a lot of dimensions. And if you want to repeat this, then you're gonna have to figure out how to read this and remake this. Next, our standard parts list with the pins and the Mighty Bite components and the screws. Here we have our exploded view of the final assembly with a bill of materials. And finally, the final fixture design assembly here with all the updates and all the final components installed. And this is what you're going to be programming off of. And this is, if you want to have a good fixture, you're going to need to have your design look like this. For this fixture, we needed it to program and machine the fixture by ourselves so that we can hold off 20 of our bottle opener. And here you can see we did some in-house manufacturing with the best lab tech in Cal Poly right now, and our final part and our final fixture inside the machine. For the bottle opener, we have the tool paths here. On the left, you'll see all the individual tool paths. On the right, you'll see the path that will follow. Same thing with our fixture here. And then this is the CNC operation planning with the feeds and speeds, the tool numbers, all in order with the time it takes. And here you'll see an amazing chamfer. This is what's happening. Everything is obviously getting right first time. Here, our fixture estimated cost is only a measly $379. That's a lot. That's a little money for the amount you're gonna make off of selling these bottle openers if you come with our fixture design. So why us? We have easy locating fixtures. It fits on the tombstone. We have no sharp edges, so it's gonna be hard to injure yourself. Our engravings are informational. They tell you exactly what you want. And we have poka-yoke, so you can never put the part in backwards. And
I'm stunned by the innovation, the ingenuity, the just general creativity that Ryan and Mandy have put into that. 2 pins make 1 poka-yoke. Wow. Also G54. I mean, that's brilliant. I think they really deserve something important for that. Is it the best you've seen tonight? Yeah, absolutely the best I've seen. Thank you. Pretty much ever. Ever? Nice. That's good to know.
that's it. Thank you.